You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to find the hotspot password on your Android phone. Open the Settings app, tap on Connections or Network and Internet, tap on Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. On some phones, this is under Hotspot and Tethering. Now tap on Mobile Hotspot. You will see the hotspot settings. Look for an option that says Password, Wi-Fi Password, or Configure. Tap on Configure or the password field itself. Your current hotspot password will be displayed, though it may be hidden. To view it, tap the eye icon or the Show Password toggle. You can also change the password here by typing a new one and saving if you cannot find it in these menus. Try tapping on More Options or the three-dot menu within the hotspot settings. Another method is to use a QR code. In the hotspot settings, you may see an option to share the hotspot via QR code. Tap it and a QR code will appear that contains the network name and password. You can scan this with another device to connect the password. Is also sometimes listed on the notification when the hotspot is active. Pull down the notification shade and look for the hotspot notification. It may show the password there. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.